first rocker arm is out. Yeah, this thing's It's time to move on. The rocker arms just arrived at the shop, and let me show you. So our friends at Michigan Motorsports really hooked us up. We were in a pinch because this thing was on the lift, taking up space, and we had to get this thing running and on the ground and fix that noise as soon as possible. And Michigan Motorsports saved the day really, really well. The actual new rocker arms. Look at these bad boys, guys. So this has the trunnion upgrade. So like I mentioned before, the stock ones are known to literally explode inside the engine, and you get all those little needle bearings to just spit out, and they get clogged somewhere and they blow up your engine. Where this has circlips on both sides with a much better design. So there are still needle bearings in here, but they can't escape. So nice and super buttery smooth. Also came with a bag of new hardware. So, and if you guys work on LS engines, then you know this is one of the easiest things to do. And by far one of the most important things, because it can save your engine from exploding. So, let's get it done. Our first rocker arm is out. Yeah, this thing's fucked.
Yeah, it's not supposed to move like that. That's fucked.
Here, check the new one. Check one of the new ones.
Here's the new one. Yeah, no.
No movement at all?
No.
Yeah, so I think we found our problem.